Hello, good afternoon. My name is Gerardo Andres Martinez. This is the evidence video presentation argumentative debate speaking. English does work level 11. Welcome. So in this opportunity, I will debate about why people should not watch too much TV. Well, watching television is an experience shared by most adults and children. It is cheap, appealing, and are within the reach of the general public. In this way, TV has become an important mass media around the world. Sadly, the resource isn't used in a way that people could get the best possible benefits from it. My purpose here is to persuade that people shouldn't watch too much television. Okay, let's imagine that there's a person is disagree with me. So I will give him the following argument. The first reason why people shouldn't watch television for a long period of time is that makes people waste time that could be used in more beneficial activities. This waste time could be used to make useful activities like exercising, interacting with friends and family, and reading, of course. Maybe that person who's disagree with me can say against this reason, I don't agree. I don't agree with you. I spend time watching news and it keeps me informed all the time. I don't waste my time. So I would say that a second reason is that the content of many television programs are not educational. Movies and series nowadays have a lot of violence, sex, and drug scene. This tendency have a very dangerous impact on children because they grow up with the idea of a world where problems can only be solved with money and violence, where the world's already inevitable. Suddenly, that person may say, "I don't think so. Those programs teach kids what the real world is like, what things are really like. Those programs prepare them when they met the real world." So I would say I don't think so. In addition, a third reason is that watching television increases the audience desire of eating, which causes, of course, obesity, because they are always in front of the screen and they forget to do physical exercises. After the invention of television in 1923, it is found that the rate of obesity, heart attacks, and eyesight problems are is increasing. Maybe that person can say people are lazy with or without television. That says nothing. But I can say that according to a new study, watching television too many increases the risk of dying at an earlier age, especially from heart disease. The research says that every hour we spend in front of the television increases the risk of dying for heart disease by 18% and increases the overall risk of death by 11%. In conclusion, we can say that television is a source that we should learn to use through the selecting programs that are educational, not wasting time, and that affect our mental development in a positive way. So if we are going to watch it, we should do it with a purpose and some time, of course, enjoyment. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.